wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without warning, love, bears heavy on my mind.
Let's get them dollars. Let's get this money. Keep my mind on my...
What is the story? We're out today on ye old DT. First video of 2021. So welcome along on the ride. Of course, today's video is all about Mr. DT because she's 30 years old today. In the Gorilla Biker's recent video there of his inaugural spin on the S-Rad, I was telling him how I didn't like driving my DT because it just keeps breaking down. I've had more time pushing it up the road and back home than I have actually enjoying it. So we're going to go to enjoy it today. So 2021, year of the DT. And another very interesting fact, in 2021 I'll be driving bikes 10 years, which is pretty amazing to me. Can't believe it's after getting to that stage now. Place is very busy. This is what social distancing looks like. It means everyone from the same area crowds around to the same place at the one time. Well done, government. Yeah, so 2021 off to a great start. We're still in level 5. Which means you can't do anything and everything else is illegal. Please see me, Octavia. Thank you. So yeah, there's not really much point to today's video. Just basically had to get out because it's Sunday. And every time I finish work during the week it's dark, so I don't even get a chance to make a video anymore. Ooh, we got a learner. We got a learner. We got a learner. Hi, bud. That looked like my old ER6, but I hardly doubt it. If you want to ask me, do I have any kind of like New Year's resolutions, the answer is no. I never really plan anything for the new year. I just like to continue on where I set off from the previous year. And oh, where's this person going? Oh, we'll leave you paso. One good bit of news actually for this bike is it has not broken down yet, which is quite amazing. So yeah, that's really much all the ska from today's video. Of course, we're still kind of restricted in terms of where we can go and getting in trouble and whatnot. So I'm not going to push my luck. I do that enough during the week off camera. While I'm highly pessimistic that things won't go back to normal, we just have to be patient really, don't we? We'll go back to start making my regular style videos. I really want to do the Irish filming locations because that was a particular interest of mine. And a lot of them are in Cork, so once we go back to, I think it's either level 3 or 4, I have no idea, then we can start travelling our own counties again. Which means I can go 2.5 hours from my home and not be breaking the law. Ah, the sun, it hurts my eyes. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in. It's nice to crack 2021 off the list. Oh god, I miss my DRZ so much. Can't do this on the VFR. yeah, so 2021 off to a great start. If you really did enjoy watching this video, make sure to subscribe down the bottom. Hit this video a like if you did enjoy, and dislike if you didn't. So thanks very much for tuning in, and I'll see you later.